Yo, what's good with y'all boys, man? Finally back with another video, bro. I've been trying to do this for the last hour, I'm not gonna lie. We have some technical difficulties, but as you can see by the titles, I'm just gonna go over a bunch of confluences. I'm gonna record a bunch of videos, but feel me? We're gonna go over liquidity sweeps right now, as that is my bread and butter. Without liquidity sweeps, I wouldn't have a trading strategy. You feel me? So, what is liquidity? In simple language, because I have plenty of videos going over liquidity, but it's resting money above highs and below lows. I use it to, you know what I'm saying, get a reaction from highs and lows and tell me where price wants to go. Like, I can draw it out for you, right? We come up, make a high, make a low, make a higher high, make a higher low, higher high. But we're right here now. Liquidity sweep would be if price comes up back above this high, but turns around and comes down and sweeps out these lows. That is a liquidity sweep. The sweep happened when we came above these highs and had a reversal from it, right? A liquidity run would be boom, 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 boom. Now we're here. Create another higher high, higher low, and just keep creating higher highs and higher lows, right? That's the difference between a sweep and a run, right? We come up to a high, reject it, reverse. Run, come up to a high, no rejection, no reversal. We just keep going higher, right? In simple language, I'll show you one to the downside. A lot of da da dee, a lot of da da do. Create a low, higher high, higher low, lower high. I'm tweaking. This will be a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. All right, now I say if we right here, a liquidity sweep to the downside would be boom. We create this higher low, or lower high. I'm tripping. Come down, sweep the lower low, and move up, back up to these higher lows. Shift the structure, right? Where did the sweep happen? As soon as we swept below this low, rejected it, reversed, and moved up. Maybe it wouldn't be so deep. Feel me? About like that. That's a liquidity sweep. And a liquidity run would just be if we didn't reject it and reverse. We just kept going down. Right? And the same thing for the upside. If we didn't reject that high and just kept moving up. The sweep happened at that high. The sweep happened at that low, right? And this is everywhere in the market. Liquidity is literally gas for your vehicle. You feel me? Yes, you can have a full, complete car, but your car not moving unless it has gas. The market can create, you know what I'm saying, or it can move, but it won't really make no moves without liquidity, right? It'll just do this right here. We'll just be in a consolidation, a range, because it's coming up, coming down, just doing that, right? That is what we call a liquidity, well, just consolidation. That's not liquidity, my bad. But liquidity is these examples right here. A sweep of some highs or a sweep of some lows. And that is the bread and butter to my strategy because it happens countless and countless of times. Like, literally, this trade right here was off a liquidity sweep. And then obviously my other confluences, which you will see in the other videos. But this is just liquidity. So we're just going to go over liquidity. Right? And again, liquidity is resting money above highs and below lows. Like all of these highs right here, before we came out and swept them, those all would have been potential draws on liquidity for me, depending on where price would have been. Right? And all of these lows right here are potential draws on liquidity for me. Right? I would want to see price come down, sweep these lows, and reverse. Literally, there's two examples right. I'm touching the screen like y'all can see it. I do this shit every time. Two examples right here. One is I literally caught a trade off of it. I'm on the 1 hour time frame, but it happens on every time frame. Just the higher the time frame, the more respectable it is. You feel me? Because it takes longer for these candlesticks to form, which is why the higher time frame hold more power, right? This trade right here, we have obviously these lows on a lower time frame and these lows, which is an hourly low, we still came down and swept the body of that low, which is still considered a liquidity sweep for me. Feel me? That's why I entered the trade. You feel me? Another example will be right here. We have a low right here, move down, a move up. That's a low point right here. We come down, boom, sweep it. And what do we do after we sweep it? Immediate moves up. Feel me? Those are two beautiful examples of liquidity sweeps right there. And we call it a sweep because we taking the lows out and moving up. Right? That is what a liquidity sweep looks like to the upside. I'm going to show you some sweeps to the downside. Because price has been in a downslide for a little minute. I'm not going to lie. Right here. We got these highs right here. Came up, swept it. Immediate move down. Feel me? We could do this for the hours, my friends. My friends. Right? Boom. Another one right here. These highs. Come down, come back up, sweep it, move down. Alright, let's go down to a lower time frame. Let's jump down to the 15. The fitting. Right? As you can see, those lows look a little bit more, you know what I'm saying, respectable now. That you could really see price come down, sweep this low right here, move up. Price come down, sweep this low right here, move up. Feel me? Price comes up, sweep this high right here. This is the data high. Price comes up, sweep it, move down. Right? Same thing right here. I actually caught a trade on this as well. Price come up, sweep these highs, move down. Like, this shit is, bro, it's everywhere on the markets, bro. On every market, every time frame, there's a liquidity sweep. Easy money. We got these highs right there. Price come up, sweep it, move down. Right? What else? What else? I'm trying to find you more to the upside, but price has kind of been in a downslide for a minute. Boom, another one right here. Got these highs. Come on. Boom, price comes up, sweep it, move down. Right? Same thing here. We got these lows. Price comes down off of the sweep of the high to these lows, swept those lows, had a slight move up. Right? A lot of that to do. Another high right here. Price comes up, sweep it, immediate move down. Like, you feel me? Data high right here. Price comes up, sweep it, sell off. Another example right here. Price comes up, swept those highs, move down. Feel me? Same thing right here. It doesn't have to be highs like that. It could be small highs like this, because those are session highs, data highs, new day highs, new week opening highs, you feel me, previous day lows. Like, all of those highs and lows that you could think of are draws on liquidity. We're waiting for those to get filled, rejected, you feel me, or we're using them as take profits. Boom, came up, swept those highs. I caught a trade off of this as well. Came up, swept those highs, moved down. Right? These lows right here. Price comes down, sweep it, moves up. Feel me? Liquidity is fucking everywhere. Boom. Price comes up, sweep those highs, move down. Right? I could even go to the 4-hour time frame. Boom. Example right here. These lows come down, sweep it, move up. Right? Holy freak, there's so many lines. Let me see if I can find some more to the up or to the downside technically. Price has been interesting this month, to say the least, man. Right here. Moving up, got a high point, we move down, come back up, sweep it, move down. Feel me? It's literally that simple, my friends. It's that simple. These highs right here. Price comes up, sweep it, move down. Like, what more do you need? Like, liquidity is everywhere. Example right here. These highs, price comes back up, sweep it, huge sell off. Right? Another one right here. These highs, price comes up, sweep it, move down. Feel me? I can even go down to the 5-minute time frame. 5-minute time frames, you can actually see my trades. Boom, we had these highs right here. Huge move up. Huge move up to take out those highs. And what do we do after that? Sell off. These highs right here, huge push up. What do we do? Come back up, sweep it, sell off. Feel me? These highs right here. Came up, swept it, sell off. Like, shit's everywhere, gang. And now you can see why it is my bread and butter in my strategy. Because without it, hell, we wouldn't really be having no real price action, to be quite honest with you. Can I click this, bro? Fuck. I know liquidity sweeps is boring because, hell, I'm just showing you examples and they're fucking everywhere. Like, news came over, swept that high, sell off. To be fair, that is news, but still sweet. Alright? Same thing right here. Have these highs, price comes up, sweep it, sell off. Couple that with fair value gaps, SMTs, and breaker structure. That's a beautiful ass strategy right there, gang. Highs, sweep up, sell off. Right? Picking up what I'm putting down, people. Same thing right here. I think I already showed y'all these, but these lows right here, they got swept twice, right? First time, price comes down, creates this low. We rebalance, come back down, sweep it again, move up. All right, so we got the same lows, double lows, equal lows. Price comes down, sweep it, huge push up. Same thing right here. This trade I caught again. These lows, swept it, move up. Even these right here. Let me show you. I caught a trade off of that as well. We had these lows right there before pre-market. Before London session open, we had a pre-market low, come down, sweep it, move up. Feel me? Shit is everywhere, gang. It's my bread and butter, buddy. Same thing here. Highs, sweep it, sell off. Another one right here. Highs, sweep it, sell off. Like, this shit is easy, gang. And again, couple that with fair value gaps, SMTs. Like, what more do you need, gang? These highs right here. Those are some data highs. Come up, sweep it, sell off. I don't know what else you need. What more do you need to see for liquidity? Right here. Highs, come up, sweep it, sell off. Highs, come up, sweep it, sell off. And this happens during every time frame, every session. Like, I can turn on my session indicators, right? Like New York session, come up, sweep these highs, move down. London session, come down, sweep Aiden session, move up, right? Even right here, lows, come down, sweep before London session open, then London session continuation. Feel me? Same thing here. London session comes down, sweep these lows, move up, right? Same thing here. New York session, come down, sweep these lows, move up. Right here. Feel me? Even here. Price comes up, sweep these highs, move down. Already showed y'all this. Another New York session. Not technically. We didn't really come down and sweep those. But we did. Nah. I'm tripping. But again, bro, liquidity is everywhere. as you can fucking see, it's my bread and butter for my strategy. It works like a fucking charm. As you can see, I've caught plenty of trades off of that shit. Liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, and SMTs, break of structure. Like, it's easy money. You can find it everywhere. But that's all I got for y'all for liquidity sweeps, man. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. Hopefully y'all understood what I was saying. I was kind of rushing it. Got a lot going on behind the scenes, man. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all boys stay motivated. Y'all stay disciplined. And hopefully y'all stick to the strategy, man.